Ganeshaya Namaha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. We have formed this Mahapariva enterprise for a particular reason. I received the blessings of Mahapariva, His Holiness Shankaracharya of Kanchipuram, Sri Shankara Virendra Saraswati Swamigal. And as per his direction, we are carrying out some activities for the pursuit and revival and enrichment of Sanatana Dharma. And the revenues from this, we are planning a revenue model so that the revenues can be used for propagation of Sanatana Dharma and restoration of Sanatana Dharma in its original order. That is the purpose. Incidentally, Bharata means Bha is illumination, Rata means chariot. So Bharata was always the chariot of illuminating the world, and a very essential traditional export from Bharata has been the spices, which always carried a very extremely good properties, and this enterprise shall also be beginning with export of spices. That is the objective of this organization. I hope and I entirely trust that the clients, our suppliers, our importers in the destination countries, everybody will also be on board with this objective and with this mission statement of this enterprise. Thank you very much. Ganesha Icha.